L'acteur Keanu Reeves était à l'honneur lors de ce 41e festival de Deauville. La star de Matrix, de Speed ou encore de Point Break est venue sur les côtes normandes pour un hommage qui lui a été rendu et également pour la présentation de son nouveau long métrage en tant qu'acteur et producteur, Knock Knock, réalisé par Eli Roth, dans lequel il interprète un bon père de famille en apparence qui voit surgir une nuit chez lui deux magnifiques créatures qui lui demandent de l'aide. Il va vouloir les aider bien sûr et puis très vite il va tomber sous le charme avant que les choses ne dégénère. Le film est plutôt réussi et amusant dans sa première partie. Eli Roth revisite les codes du genre avec une certaine habileté. La deuxième partie, en revanche, est plus attendue et le film souffre surtout d'une impression de déjà-vu. On a vraiment l'impression de revoir ces bons petits films des années 80-90 qu'on regardait le samedi soir. Le film se laisse voir malgré tout et Keanu Reeves en a donc parlé aux côtés de son réalisateur lors de la conférence de presse du film.
Chocolate with sprinkles. Everybody packed?
Yeah.
I love you. Bye, guys. Who's there? Yes?
We're so sorry to bother you, sir. My phone got wet and she left hers at her house.
I was really taken with the script. Just the tone, the ambition, the humor. And I was really looking forward. Eli and I Skyped a couple of times, and he shared some of the vision that he wanted to try and aim for. And it was a great role, and it was a lot of fun to make.
Je sais parler en français, mais je suis désolé, je parle en anglais, probablement. Moi, je crois qu'il est un homme qui n'est pas vraiment heureux avec sa vie. Et on the surface, on voit les photos de la femme, de la famille, et on pense, oh, il est heureux. Mais si on voit, if you look carefully, under the surface, il y a des problèmes. Moi, je crois qu'in relationships, if you do not deal with it, and be direct, it's going to come out in another direction. Moi, je crois he's not paying for what he's doing. I think it's a result of not being honest with himself and his wife.
Well, if you guys want, you can come in and use my phone. Guys, I have your clothes. They're pretty much dry.
Surprise!
I can't do this. I'm married. Happily.
Yes, you can. Hey, it's all our secret. Just relax and enjoy it.
It was fun to be tortured in a movie kind of way, or a man who's just releasing his id.
C'était un rêve pour moi pour travailler avec, un rêve pour Reeves, pour travailler avec lui, parce qu'il est vraiment un de mes favoris acteurs. Excellent, I mean, des années, 80, for 4 decades, he's been a star. He's such an amazing, incroyable actor with so much range, because it's so funny. On n'a jamais sais qu'il est très, très, très drôle et amusant. Et c'était la première fois qu'il était un père dans un film. Je crois que vraiment c'est une vraie, incredible performance. I think if it was my idea, I think Keanu deserved an Oscar for that nomination. Vraiment, he's an incredible actor. So, merci. He was the best.
Le réalisateur Eli Roth présentait également lors de ce festival de Deauville The Green Inferno, sorte de remake du fameux Cannibal Holocaust, film culte qui a terrorisé toute une génération dans les années 70. Mais là encore, ce film montre les limites de Eli Roth, davantage un petit malin, habile faiseur, qu'un cinéaste avec une véritable vision qui renouvellerait le genre et le cinéma d'horreur en particulier, comme le répète à longueur de colonne son ami et comparse Quentin Tarantino. Mais Eli Roth a su dénicher une actrice de talent, Lorenza Izzo, jeune comédienne de 23 ans, américano-chilienne, qui est à l'affiche de ses 2 films, perdue dans la jungle amazonienne dans The Green Inferno, redoutable séductrice face à Keanu Reeves dans Knock Knock. Nous avons eu la chance de rencontrer la comédienne qui ne devrait plus rester inconnue très longtemps.
You've been a very bad boy, Evan. Look what I found.
That's my daughter's. You take that off.
You like how it fits me, Daddy?
What do you want?
I want to play hide and seek. 30 seconds. You leave the house, I shoot.
Help me!
I was very, very excited to play such a rich character like Genesis because you have so much to play with. I think she's a woman that is capable of changing one personality to the other in seconds. She had a very troubled past and upbringing, and she's a very troubled being. The brilliance of the film lies in the audience sort of guessing, or wait, is it his fault? Is it the wife's fault, or are they crazy? I think we don't want to explain that because I think it's up to you. There is another aspect of the film, which is the generational gap, where Keanu Reeves' character is a father, an older man. He's more in, I think he's in his 40s, and he thinks he's in control. He's aware, but not really. Like, he has Facebook open to everyone. Keanu actually didn't even have an iPhone when we met him. Had a BlackBerry. He didn't know what a selfie was. He's not very connected to the technological world. He doesn't care. He doesn't need it. But me and Anna, of course, we're on Instagram. We have Twitter. We're constantly on our phones. So in reality, it was that way. There was a generational, not conflict, but huge gap. And we really played that in the movie. Of course, it's fascinating the world we live in today. I think social media and technology and internet in general is a very powerful tool, but also a very scary one. It also sets the question, what are the limits? What happens to privacy when you can cross it that easily? How do we know when to stop? These girls definitely are using these tools in a very fucking powerful way. Me and Eli have worked in many capacities. When we first met, we were co-starring in Aftershock, so I worked with him as an actor. Then he directed me in Hemlock Grove, then he directed me in Green Inferno, and now Knock Knock. So I've worked with him a lot. He knows me very well, so he can push me, I think, farther than anyone. I mean, there's no limit. He can really get a performance out of me. I can't bullshit him. I don't know if I can curse, sorry. I love working with him. It's fun, It's really fun.
I tried to help you. I let you in. I was a good guy. I'm a good father.
Knock, knock.